Hello friends, welcome back again to the digital maths tutor. In today's exercise on mathematics, we'll be looking at a problem of logarithm. Now look at the question. The question says calculate the logarithm to base 9 of 3 raised to the power. Look at what I'm reading. Of 3 raised to the power of minus 4 times 9 raised to the power 2 times 81 in bracket raised to the power minus 1. And the options are given: A is minus 2, B is 2, C is 4, D is 0. This is a jump question. So we're going to look at this and show you exactly how to solve this problem and get the answer. The key word there is calculate the logarithm to base 9. Let your workings be on base 9. Yes, not just giving us answers, let it be on base 9. So what do? Let's go right now. As we go through this, if you are new to our channel, we encourage you, do not fail to subscribe and share this video. Help us grow together as we bring you all these free resources. Now, let's go to the practical part of this. We'll have 3 raised to the power minus 4, then multiply by 9 raised to the power 2, multiply by 81 raised to the power minus 1, and all that. So you could see that in this first one, 3 is the base. Second one, 9 is the base. The third one, 81 is the base. But each of these particular numbers has something to do with 9. So you need to convert all of them to base 9, base 9, base 9. That's exactly what the examiner wants. Now, all we need to do, how do we convert 3 raised to the power minus 4 to a number in base 9? We go 3 raised to the power minus 4. I want to work on this. It is same thing as, when the power is in the negative, everything there becomes 1 over 3 raised to the power 4. That's what it is. So this thing you have here is same thing as this. And this 1 over 3 raised to the power 4 is same thing as 1 over 81, because 3 raised to the power 4 is 81. 3 times 3, 9, times 3, 27, times 3, 81. Now it means that 3 raised to the power minus 4 is same thing as 1 over 81. Very simple for us. So in that case, it's same thing as, remember that 81 is 9 raised to the power 2. So this is same thing as 1 raised to the power 9, 1 over 9 raised to the power 2. So what we have here as 3 raised to the power minus 4 have been taken back to 9 raised to the power 2. Is it getting clearer now? And now if we have 1 over 9 raised to the power 2, if you take it back where we don't want 1 to be on top again as a fraction, that simply means 9 raised to the power minus 2. Yes, 9 raised to the power minus 2 is something as 1 over 9 raised to the power 2. So do you now see that this 3 raised to the power minus 4 is something as 9 raised to the power minus 2. So by so doing, we have converted that. Very, very important. So I just did it for you to see. We have made this one, the first part of this work, 3 raised to the power minus 4 is now 9 raised to the power minus 2. So it's settled. While we now have 9 raised to the power 2. So we want to also convert this 81 raised to the power minus 1. Now remember, 81 like this is same thing as, first of all, convert this 81 to 9 raised to the power 2, because that's exactly what it is. Am I right? Now minus 1. And 9 raised to the power 2 raised to the power minus 1 is same thing as 2 times minus 1 is still minus 2. So this is going to be 9 raised to the power minus 2. So everything you see here as 81 in brackets raised to the power minus 1, it is same value with 3 raised to the power minus 4, because it gave us this 9 raised to the power minus 2, 9 raised to the power minus 2. You can see we've got this. So we're going to now place all of this. With this now, each of these 3 parts of this problem are now on base 9. So we're going to state them and now see what we'll do next and to get our answers. Let's go right now. Okay, with this now, we'll be having 9 raised to the power, okay, let me use, okay, 9 raised to the power minus 2 times 9 raised to the power 2 times 9 raised to the power minus 2. Remember, that's what we got. Now, because they have the same base, 999, we are going to take 9, which will give us 9 raised to the power minus 2 plus 2 minus 2. It's very, very clear. You just take the common base, which is 9, and now bringing up this one. The first part is minus 2. The second part, remember 2 up there just simply means plus 2. You put it, this one is minus 2. So everything is there. Now, when you have something like this, what are you having here? What do you have here? What do you think is coming out here? So you are looking at this as the real thing now is, look at this, minus 2 plus 2 minus 2, what will you give? Minus 2 plus 2 already is 0, then minus 2. So we are having 9 raised to the power minus 2. And so this minus 2 is the real number, is the key thing we are asking for. Calculate the logarithm to base 9 of this particular statement. So the answer there is minus 2. And you can check our options. That is option A. That is minus 2. So that's exactly how this answer is got. And remember, I did it based on base 9. And that's what the examiner requested from. So you go through this. I know before you go through this, you must have worked out your own, giving us the answer. So, but if you are confused, you think you don't know what to do, please go through this workout. Using your own big somewhere there, do it and follow through this. If you can't understand, repeat the video until you master this. For young people in the secondary school students, those are preparing for JAMB and all that, you're going to be seeing stuff like this. You need to understand the rules and how to do it, and that's the key to solving problems that look so difficult as this one. Understanding first, then you begin to apply all the formulas and everything you need to know. I'm going to stop at this point. I wish you the best and I encourage you, please help us grow together. Subscribe to our channel here and don't share this video, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up so that YouTube can recommend for others to watch as well. I wish we stop here. Wish you the best. Thanks for watching.